Hey everyone, Sam back once again. Well, you might have just watched me unbox this bad boy. Now it's time to install a screen protector. So I picked this up off Amazon. It cost me £5. It was on a promotion. I think they're normally £10. This one's actually from a company called Caseology. Now I paid for this out of my own money from Amazon directly. So let's see what a £5 screen protector is going to get me, shall I? Because yeah, I don't want to be rocking this without a screen protector. Not the over £1,000 it bloody costs. Ready for it? Okay, let's do this. Alright, first things first, let's just stick the phone there, shall we? As you can see, I've not even set it up yet, but I want to get this screen protector on there. And let's have a quick look. So yeah, again, it cost me £5 from Amazon. I will put the link down below. I think they might have gone back up to £10 now, but I got it for £5 because they had like a 50% off promo code on the day I ordered it. And in this one, that's pretty cool. You get like a little squeegee. And that's obviously to push the screen protector down. There we go. Stick that there. We get a little frame for it, so that's going to go on top of the actual phone itself to make sure you put this screen protector in the correct way. We also get, that's pretty cool, so you actually get before applying, so it tells you exactly how to do it. So number 1, it says make sure you use the cleansing wipes. Number 2, stick on the frame. Number 3, pull off the back film off the screen protector. Number 4, stick it on. Obviously number 5, 6, 7, and job done. And hopefully, we'll see how Caseology do, but let's see if we're going to get a bubble-free installation. I'm bloody hoping so. I'll tell you what, let's get this out of here. So you do get 2 of them inside this pack as well, which is the reason why I purchased it. Because I thought a £5 for 2. And again, I've heard of the company before, but I've never actually dealt with them, or I don't think I've done any of the cases or like it in the past. So yeah, you do get 2 of these. Let's stick that there, shall we? Right, so I believe this is the little pack you get with the little cleaning. Here we go. So we get a dust remover sticker. We get inside here. So yeah, there's a dust removing sticker. We get a little microfiber cleaning cloth. Feels so. And then tells you how to actually get the air bubbles out as well. Nice little packaging, to be fair. Well done. So we only need 1 of these, and that's cool. You do actually get 2 of them. So you actually get 1 for the second screen protector. So stick that back in the box. Don't forget about them. Some people normally just throw them away. Obviously, we're going to need this to clean the screen in a second. And we might need this to see if we want to get some dust off it if we get any in there. Because at the moment, I'm seeing some dust. So, yeah. Fingers crossed I can get rid of all this dust off there. Alright, so here is the cleaning. It's actually a fairly big one, actually. Normally they're tiny. I'm kind of happy with that one. So let's give it a good old clean. And I think it's one of them where you clean it and it just dries automatically. So you don't have to wipe stuff off there, which is definitely better for me. Because I always seem to find a bloody particle or something like there. Like I'm finding them again. I'm telling you, I'm an absolute dust grabber. So let's keep giving it a bit of a wipe. Make sure I've got all that stuff off there. I think I'm going to bring it a bit closer to myself in a sec, just to make sure we've got all those off there. So I'm just going to take the phone off camera really quickly. Just going to make sure they're all off then. I'll bring it back here straight away for you. Alright, so I've kind of got that on all the stuff off best I can. On here, it's got a top and it's also got a bottom. So I'll just stick that on there. Hopefully not going to put any more dust on it while I'm putting it on there. There we go. That bad boy is on. Obviously, when you get your screen protector, so I'm just going to take this off camera to make sure I don't waft any dust in its way. It then tells you to take the back off there, which is just this one here. So peel that off there. I always recommend to peel it off like underwards like this, because if you do it the other way, dust particles can drop straight on top of it. Okay, so that's now off there. And it should be a matter of just dropping it in, I believe. I can't see it being any more difficult than that, is it? Is that about it? I just kind of drop it in there, I believe. Just going to bring it a bit close to make sure it's actually in there, because I can't see it. The camera's a little bit too far. Alright, so unfortunately, it looks like the actual, this guard is crap. it's just keeping it from side to side, but it does nothing for the top or the bottom, which I'll try and show you. You can see that there. It goes completely off the edge, yeah? And at the top, it goes completely over the top of there. That's a load of crap, innit, eh? So give me a second, I'm just going to try and take it all off and I'll try and fit it myself. Yeah, I'm not happy about that. Okay, so after a little bit of fannying around, I realised that for some reason, when I pushed it in, these just popped up. So it's not a very good guide, because again, as soon as I put the screen protector in there, I tell you what, let's get a bit closer. What happened is, as I pushed the screen protector in, there's two little knobbly things here. I popped it in and it just went plop, straight up like that. So yeah, it's a little bit tight a bit too tight if you ask me. But anyway, I finally got it on there. So hopefully, what you do is you press and slide. And it's just to make sure that it's all down. And I'm praying that there's no dust got under there when I had to lift it up a little bit. So again, just basically press down a little bit. Just make sure it's fully on there. You can then take this off there. Take the guide off. So it might have been a bit of user error. Might not have been. We'll put it down to a bit of both. But have we got any bubbles? Tell you what, let's give it a good old clean. Let's use that cleaning cloth for that little thing that they gave us beforehand, shall we? And I'm hoping I don't need to put another one on here. But yeah, looks like it's a little bit dirty. So let's take that there. I'll come back once it's fully clean. Alright, so that's it. It's fully installed. You know what, I'm going to put it down to a bit of a 50-50. I think this guide is a little bit tight, or should I say it pops up a little bit too easy. Now, I don't know if that's because these clips are a little bit too tight. Maybe they need to be a little bit longer so you can push it down and they can't just push up. Because as you can see, they're not very deep. So as soon as you stick it on there, any bit of friction just plops it straight back out. So recommendation, if Caseology do end up watching this video, is I would probably put these nubs a little bit bigger if you can. Maybe out a little bit and a bit bigger, and then make these a little bit longer. So yeah, but that's it. It's installed. I think we're happy to go. Yeah, job done. I think all they need to do now is include some extra cleaning cloths, so you can clean your bloody phone. Look how dirty they are. But anyway, that's just been my, I say quick, it's probably been bloody about 10 minutes video with regards to, it's called the Caseology Tampered Glass Screen Protector. I will put the link down below. Again, I picked it up for a £5. It might come on a promo again. I think they're about a tenner normal, but you do get two of them, and you get the guide for what it's worth. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions with regards to this or anything else, you know what to do by now. Hit me in the comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Go on. It's free. And smash like. You know you want to. Anyway, people, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll hopefully see me. Well, you never see me, but you see these puppies, and you hear this voice in my next video. Cheers, everyone.